Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope everybody is well. A few days ago, we saw some strange wedding custom in different countries of the world. In that video, we got a lot of praise from you, and that's why today we share with you some more weird wedding rituals like this. You will be absolutely surprised to see that, such as kidnapping for marriage, keeping the groom with the bride and groom at night, setting the date of the wedding with the chicks, the wife's heart are some of the rules. Today I will introduce you to some of these strange marriage rules. Let's get started on the bride for marriage, Bulgaria. Imagine for a second you were transposed into the karmic driven world of yard. There are bridesmaids arranged for sale in the market. You just have to buy them from there of your choice. I was surprised to hear that this is what happened in Bulgaria, a European country. Brides suitable for marriage are sold in the open market in the country. From there, he can buy the bride of his choice. Originally, a bridal market sits in front of an open market in the Bulgarian town of Istara Zobra. It is home to the country's poorest Roma Kalaisi nomadic community, who organize bridal markets to get their children married. The event is held 4 times a year, where bargaining takes place between the parents of the bride and groom in the same way as the buyer-seller. Usually girls between the age of 13 and 20 are taken to this market as brides. Of these, those who are younger are more expensive and those who have a second marriage are less expensive. The parents of the girl sometimes have to pay up to 35 lakhs money to bring home a beautiful and virtuous wife of their choice. After that, when the price is paid, the bride is bought and married. In the name of marriage, the Rome community of Bulgaria has been arranged marriages for boys and girls in this way for centuries. Mother-in-laws present on the wedding night. According to this custom, the mother of the daughter is present in the house of the bride and groom at night. There she teaches the girl to have sex all night and watch them have sex all night to make sure that her daughter is able to do this properly. However, if for some reason the mother of the girl is not present, then an yearly woman of the village takes part in this work. Imagine for a second you were transported into the karmic driven world of Kyrgyzstan. According to the custom of marriage, if a man can abduct a woman and bring her home, then he is accepted as the husband of the woman. DW reports that one such girl is kidnapped every 14 minutes in Kyrgyzstan. Therefore, when the son of a family reaches the age of marriage, the family members go out in search of abducting the girl. The pre-arranged girl was picked up while walking on the road. Then the girl was brought home and kept in a room. This forced the girl to marry him no matter how much she cried. If the girl does not agree to marry, the woman of the boy's house starts brainwashing the girl. This is done until someone from the groom's family arrives and completes the wedding by wearing a scarf. The female members of the boy's family are responsible for wearing the scarf. The abduction was originally known as bride kidnapping in Kyrgyzstan. According to Kyrgyz custom, the word crying is considered auspicious in a wedding hall, so they don't think kidnapping there is a bad thing. However, no matter what they think, in today's modern society, it is undoubtedly a very disgusting and reprehensible act. Viewers, responding to the call of nature is one of our daily necessities. Not only that, but in Indonesia, the bride and groom can't do it. The people of the Indonesia island of Borneo, according to tradition, do not get a chance to go to the washroom for 3 days in a row on the honeymoon after marriage. At this time, the bride and groom have to spend 3 days and 3 nights in a house and cannot leave the house and go anywhere. For this reason, very little food and drink is provided to the bride and groom during the wedding ceremony. The idea is that if you can pass this time, the marriage will be happy, and if any of them goes to respond to the call of nature, it will be considered as unfortunate. Fat Farm, Mauritania. In almost all countries of the world, girls went to lose weight before marriage. But a resident of Mauritania in Africa thinks that the fatter the girl, the more beautiful she is. There, a bride is considered suitable for marriage because of her weight. The more one has, the more beautiful she is considered. That is why girls are fed a lot of food to gain weight from an early age. There are various organizations for weight gain. They consider this extra weight as a symbol of good luck. The higher the number of fat girls after marriage, the more happy her husband is. Through to the day of the wedding, the men of Wales cut wood with their own hands and made a spoon and give it as a gift to the bride. Ring throw at a height of 4,000 feet. Bisnek and King Berlin Bergling, who live in California, USA, built a net about 400 high in the mountains of Kuta Canyon, and she stood on the net and threw each other the ring. Pot-Broken, Germany. In Germany, guests donate a variety of glassware to the newlyweds, but they don't use them. But the family and friends of the bride and groom shoot the glass jars together the night after the wedding. Then the new son-in-law sweeps the broken glass and enters the new house. The people of Germany believe that the word broken pot puts an end to negative energy. Another interesting German custom at wedding is that after the wedding, the newlyweds cut a piece of a tree together in front of everyone. With this, they prove that the two will share equally and the understanding between them is much better. To the tree, India. In India, girls who are considered Mongolic are married to a tree. Then the tree is cutting down. After completing this work, she got married to her husband. The reason for celebrating this strange guest is that all the women who are Mongolic, their husband dies soon after marriage. The tree is killed by marriage, the tree to remove this cause from the husband. However, it is not possible to say who is good and who is bad. It is only the priest who set the rules and regulations. In addition to trees, there is a practice of marrying animals. In India, Mongolic girls are also married to goats or dogs to get rid of Mongolic guilt. It is said that Aishwarya Rai of Bollywood had to marry a banana tree in 2006 because of being Mongolic. The girl wore a 2,000-meter long dress. A Chinese girl got married 2,000 meters long in the country to make her mark in the Guinness Book of World Records. These dresses were worn by 200 guests from the backlot. Setting a wedding date with chicks. Mongolia. The Mongolian people of China have a strange custom of marriage. To fix the date of marriage there, the bride and groom have to kill a chicken together with a knife. Then he saw the color of the chicken's liver. If the heart is fresh and the color is dark red, it is selected for marriage on the same day. And if it doesn't feel fresh and pure, then there will be no marriage. We have to wait until the two of us can have a chicken together whose hearts look fresh and red. This will be followed by the mature date of marriage. But what is the real reason behind the policy? It was not Bangladesh and India. The custom of stealing shoes to Shida, the bridegroom goes to wedding in rural Bangladesh and India. the thief of fancy shoes and the harassment of thieves can still be seen. This thief at the wedding ceremony is a very interesting incident for both parts of the bride and groom. Usually the son-in-law has to get up on his shoes before getting on the wedding stage, and from the moment he takes off his shoes, his wife's younger brothers, sisters or girlfriends try to steal the shoes together. Once the bridesmaids are able to steal the shoes, there is no escape. Instead of returning the shoes, they demand a large sum of money. According to the demand, the pair of shoes has to be returned with money. Otherwise, the groom has to go through the whole wedding ceremony barefoot. So friends, don't forget to let us know how you like today's video by commenting in the comment box. If you like the video, I would like you to get more new videos like this by subscribing to our channel. Stay well and stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye bye.